Fire starting 101. I'm gonna open the glass, open the screen. We're gonna take a couple logs. Ideally, we want the logs to peel. So we've got the birch bark peeling off. This one I've already peeled off a little bit. So I'm gonna place it in there pretty much like that, horizontally. And then I'm gonna grab some smaller pieces. And kind of you want two medium pieces. This would be a medium piece for the base, and then you're gonna crisscross a couple of them. But as you see, there's a lot of bark here that's peeling. I want to peel it off because that's my fire starter. Ideally, if you can get it off, you're just pulling chunks off like this. But sometimes you can get good sized chunks like this. So I'm just going to put this one in there. So you put them in pretty much horizontally with some space in between them, about enough room for a log. And then what we want to do is we want to take our bark that we peeled off, drop it down in there. So this is a good amount of shavings, as you can see here, bark. It's just kind of, it's almost like paper. Basically, it's the best substitute. I guess this is the ideal fire starter. Newspaper would be the ideal substitute, but this burns a little bit hotter and a little bit longer. So now I've got a good amount in there. That, give you a look. So that's kind of what we're looking at. And then we're going to take a couple pieces here like this, smaller pieces ideally, lay them at an angle. Like that. Make sure you can get your screen around it. And then we're just going to take the fire starter and get one of them going. I like to get both sides if I can. And then I'm gonna put a couple more logs on the fire this way, but I want to give it some space to breathe as well. And you'll notice I'm using smaller logs to start. Once I get some coals on the bottom, then I'll go with some of the thicker ones. But as you can see, that gets going pretty good. And I want to get the screen shut so we don't get any more of burn spots on the carpeting. That is starting a fire.